Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. What we're doing today is
pulling a harness out my arse.
Yeah, pulling the harness out of his arse. What we're doing today is we're gonna have a little sort out on the Megane. I've got a couple of little issues. So yeah, we're just gonna go from the start and we're just gonna make a couple of videos out of it. We'll see what, I'm not gonna obviously drag it out and stuff, but we'll see what needs to be done and how far we get in the video. But first things first, I'm gonna insert the clip, but it is knocking its ghoulies off. Like, it sounds vile. Like, I just accelerated slowly, like pulling away, and it's like, so I'm not going to bore you too much, so let's get on with the video and I'll see what happens with the day. So let's go. It's gonna sound, honestly, it's gonna sound minging. There it is. That's it now. You won't get it unless I stop. Where does it sound like? In the middle? Like, I thought it was more my side.
It sounds like middle bottom. Middle of the car bottom. You feel it in my foot.
Mount.
You feel it in my foot.
Yeah.
Engine mount, gearbox mount. If it was top mounts, it would do it over bumps and that.
Yeah, it's more mainly braking and accelerating.
It's top mounts.
Now, if I send it, and that'd be fine.
Yeah. Top mounts do it well, pretty much all the time. Bumps, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Some son will be snapped.
Is that bolt? Oh, we got that fucking. Could it be the decap? Feel it moving. Hurts my soul, you know. I'm surprised I even got this track there out of it.
That's probably why it's so fucking bad.
Right then guys, so the car is up in the air and we are just gonna do a little process of elimination. So first things first, we are missing the stud and the nut. That one's on that side and that one's on that side, so that's fell off. Can't see that causing all that issue really, but it's definitely blowing out of its arse, so that'll have to get sorted soon. Just waiting for the part to come. What the? Definitely shouldn't be.
I do left and right, a bit harder though. There you go. That's how I was doing it.
It's weird that, isn't it?
Something's not tight or broke or something.
Right, so I just took the wheels off, mate. The tyres have been absolutely destroyed. These have, like, I've done one. I wouldn't even say a track day on them. I did that sprint course, that was it. Look at this. I just did, that's all I've done is the sprint course, and probably, I don't even think I've done that many miles on them. Like, I've had them for like what, 4 or 5 months? And I've done a sprint course for a couple of hours. That's terrible. Right then, so we're looking underneath, we can't really see much. We'd say both wheels are doing it, so surely if you're wiggling that, and it's, the common problem on these is the gearbox mounts, apparently they snap. I don't know if it's just the bolt or the mount or whatever it is, but apparently they're very common to go on these. So I'm just going to take the battery out, take the battery tray out, and hopefully look underneath and see if we can have a clear issue of what's going on. See what happens. Right, so if you can see there, it's had a new gearbox bolt. I think the bolt snaps in them. I'm not 100% sure, obviously, if any of you have had this done or whatever. Please holler. But yeah, it don't look too bad. It looks like a new bolt, to be honest with you, compared to the rest of it. But look at that. That's like orange as marine piece, and then you've got that fresh as you like. But yeah, it don't look like that's anything dodgy. So yeah. Put the battery back in there, lads. Go on, try it.
Is it spinning maybe? I don't know, but watch.
Yeah, the bottom thing's spinning with it as well.
How is it?
Yep. Right then, so battery has been took out, battery packet thing, whatever, what's it called, battery box. Tray, box or whatever, that's been took out. We've checked the gearbox mount, as you saw in the video. Got underneath it, we've checked pretty much every single bolt, and a couple of them have had a little turn on them and they've actually like tightened up quite a bit, haven't they? I'm praying that this is going to sort it. If it isn't, I'm not too sure what it could be, to be honest. So I'm going to go for a little drive now. Hopefully it sorted it, so let's go do this. Let's pray. Keep the steering wheel clean. Yeah man, premium bespoke automotive. Ready? Nothing is there?
No. Apart from some discs that haven't been got a bit rusty. I'm sitting there.
Smart beaker. Did you hear something there? We are going to be looking for it now, aren't we, proper? There's that rain that's supposed to be coming. For God's sake, man. Yes peeps, what is happening? I just thought I'd close up the video because I kinda didn't. So this is like a couple of days after. I didn't actually think that was going to be a video, to be honest. But I've like added it all together and I thought, like, I like to keep you updated on what's going on and where we're at with the car, and I feel like it's a tough one. The knock stopped. We just got underneath it and just started like checking bolts. Nothing was Loctite. There's no torque settings on anything we've used, so it's literally been just nipped up till it's like tight as the guns. But I feel like I want to do things properly. I want to get a proper torque wrench. I want to, if anyone knows how I can find torque settings for everything on this car, please let me know where I can find it, because I want to be doing stuff up properly. All I know is stuff's been done up. and obviously on that track day, literally it was so silly. We got like a 17mm spanner, and we twisted it probably we turned it about that much, and it's like, I think there was like one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side, and the knock has stopped, so it's not doing that horrible knock that it was doing, but something else is going on I believe it's the passenger. Something is rubbing, or something is getting caught. It does look like the wheel arch, the arch liner, they do get destroyed on these 17x9 wheels because they're so big and stuff. But it looks like it's tore into the wheel arch, and the wheel arch liner's like coming back on itself. So I think when it's catching onto the tyre, and it's making like a kind of noise. It sounds like something's rubbing quite bad. Like I can feel it through the accelerator pedal. It's a weird sensation, but that needs to be investigated. I went out today, it was on and off, so it did it a little bit, and sometimes it didn't. So I don't know if when I'm turning it's catching it, pulling it out, and it's getting caught, but it's definitely doing it, and it's not good at all. I've got a Cadwell track day on the 12th of July, so still got just over a month. I need to get it sorted. I need to obviously get that sorted, because if it's a wheel bearing or whatever it could be a wheel bearing, but I thought if it was a wheel bearing, wouldn't it do it all the time rather than now and again? Do you know what I mean? I need to get the brakes, get them flushed. I don't think I'm going to bother with pads just yet. The pads do look like they're about to get fucked, and they will be after Cadwell, but I might buy some Carbon Lorraine 6s or Carbon Lorraine 5s. I don't know what they are, but Dan recommends them. I might take them with me on the track day, and then if I cook these, then I'll swap them over. But I definitely want the fluid done. More importantly, the fluid's got to be done. And then even the tyres, I don't know what to do about the tyres, because I've had these tyres like 5 months. I've done like 4,000 miles in 2 years, and I've had these tyres on 4 months, 5 months, and I've done that, obviously that sprint course, but that was only like an hour's worth of track day really. So, and I'm quite disappointed. Like the grip is phenomenal, but I'm talking for like value for money. They are not value for money. Like I can't believe how bad they are. Like the PS4s were sick. The PS4s were mega when I did the Donington track day, and it didn't really wear much. It just looked like the sides have been took off. But I do believe these AR1s come with 4.5, 5mm tread, whereas the PS4s come with 8, I believe. So yeah, I think I need some new tyres at some point for the front, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't really want to put AR1s back on really. I'd rather get some PS4s, or see if I can get some Cup 2s or something. So yeah, please let me know what you think. I know this is a long little bit at the end. I'm just trying to be as honest, and you know the drill. I have been very distant, and I do apologise with that. I just find that I'm doing the same shit on the Megane, and it's annoying me. I don't want to be messing with the suspension. And that's all the videos I'm doing, and it's like, I absolutely love the car. Like I swear to God, I absolutely love this. If I had 10 grand spare sitting in my bank, I would not contemplate getting rid of this car. Like I love this car so much, like I genuinely do. But I just think of the YouTube, I think of content, and I'm like, I know I want to do track days and that, and I've gone on about it and stuff, but booking track days every couple of months and stuff doesn't really fulfill that for me. I love modding cars, and I think that's what gets my juices going. Do you know what I mean? I love fitting an exhaust and listening to it. Don't get me wrong, track days are sick and that, but it's every couple of months and that, and it's just tiring. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, we're still trying to organise that race with Alway TV. Hopefully get that sorted, and we'll do a little, I think we've come to a conclusion how we're going to do it and that. We just got to decide where. Yeah, that's all the updates. I don't want to be messing with the same shit and videoing the same things, because I've done like about 6 suspension videos now, and I just don't want to video it for you anymore, because I think it's boring. You know what I mean? If I was watching me, I wouldn't want to watch the suspension video about 7 times, but Just let me know your thoughts. The GoPro is absolutely sick. Like, I'm so happy with the GoPro, so we will be getting cars on the channel. We've actually got one already on the hard drive ready to be edited, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Throw us a thumbs up, man. If you do enjoy me or enjoy the channel or enjoy the car, throw us a thumbs up. Share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace. I can't really show it, yeah, you won't be able to see it, but it's literally all like popped out. So if you can see it, come on. Nah, I can't show you, but it's literally like, see there, it's like it's broke away a bit. Oh, it's not even catching it on camera, but yeah, it's definitely, the arch liner's like there, so it's definitely catching it. Hear it? It's ripped and everything.